सक्सेस के पीछे मत भागो, एक्सीलेंस का पीछा करो। सक्सेस झक मार के तुम्हारे पीछे आएगी इज अ वेरी फेमस डायलॉग फ्रॉम थ्री इडियट्स. It's just not a dialogue, it's a life philosophy, one that can make you not only successful but also well respected. And Pratik Gandhi has proved it. Today, I will not only tell you his story but also decode it for you. By the end of this video, you will have many insights on how to make your dreams come true and excel at what you love. His story is a story of never to stop believing in yourself. So let me take you on Pratik Gandhi's journey. Pratik was born on April 28, 1980 in Surat to parents who were teachers. So obviously education was very important in his family and Pratik excelled at it. He attended V.D. Desai Wadiwala High School in Surat. During his time in Surat, he developed an interest in theatre. Pratik fell in love with acting when he was just 9 years old. At his first play in school, he shared how the audience's reaction to his mini skit felt magical and he was hooked. But he needed to finish his education. For a middle-class family, only education brings the safety of life. So he went on to graduate with a degree in industrial engineering in 2004. From 2004 to 2007, he worked with National Productivity Council in Satara and Pune. He later worked at Reliance Infrastructure in Mumbai from 2008 to 2016. And he got married to Bhamini Oza, an actor herself, in 2009. He had shifted to Mumbai so that he could seek more opportunities in acting. He used to juggle his corporate job with theatre rehearsals and TV auditions. Since he was getting acting roles in theatres, Gujarati and Hindi cinema, plus TVCs, then came a time where he had to choose between his corporate job and acting. It was a tough choice to leave his high-profile job, which offered international opportunities, but he chose his first love, acting. So it was time to take a risk and focus full-time on acting, and thus began the story of the struggle and eventual success of Pratik Gandhi. He started his career in theatre and Gujarati films. He appeared in Gujarati films like Lavni Bhavai and Ventilator. His lead role in the film Wrong Side Raju earned it the National Award for Best Gujarati Film. By now, he had established himself as an excellent actor and he chose his films carefully. Gujarati cinema at that time was full of cliched stories and cliched acting style. Most of the films were poor in craft and technique, but Pratik was only focused on excellence. So regional cinema was not enough to fulfill his aspirations. While he was getting work in Bollywood, but it was only for smaller roles. Then came the biggest opportunity and turning point of his life. He was selected by Hansal Mehta for his new web show called Scam 1992, based on the life of Harshad Mehta. And that show, released in the middle of COVID lockdown when films and web shows were the only escape for people locked in their homes, changed Pratik's life entirely. His acting in Scam as Harshad Mehta gave him the credibility that every actor lives for, and it only happened because he chased excellence and not fame or success by any means. Pratik shares that although his family supported his acting dream, naturally his mother still had doubts initially, but it was Pratik's father who urged him to quit his job, saying acting was his calling. 2 years after leaving his job, while promoting a film, his mother asked, "Did you make the right choice?" He said he felt so. His family's opinion, especially his wife's, means a lot to him. They have lived his dream with him. Their support and understanding always kept him going. He has surprised everyone with his comic skills in Madgaon Express and showcased a softer, romantic side in Do Aur Do Pyar alongside Vidya Balan. However, he considers himself fortunate to have been casted in this romantic comedy, as he believes he isn't the typical choice for such roles. Pratik is currently filming Gandhi, a web series about the father of the nation. It's his third collaboration with the director Hansal Mehta. Pratik will share the screen with his wife Bhamini Oza, who will be playing Kasturba Gandhi. A lot has changed for Pratik in recent years. He has moved from Kandivali to the upscale Juhu with his apartment right next to Amitabh Bachchan's. His inbox is flooded with scripts waiting to be read, and even today, despite a packed schedule, he prioritizes his first love, theatre, and still performs in plays. Pratik says the beauty of any struggle is this thing called hope. And we do hope he will go on to bigger and bigger projects, mesmerizing us with his excellence in acting in times to come. Would you turn down your high-profile job to pursue your passion? Let us know in the comment section. This is Leena signing off.